Hello again, it is I, Jeremy Knowles, the Affordable Tutor, and today we're going to be looking at dividing with decimals. Let's get our white screen pulled up here. All right, so if we take a look at our first problem, we've got 27.18 divided by 3, okay? Can't divide 2 by 3, but we can divide 27 by 3, so let's stick a 9 up there. And then what do we do next? Well, I've got this decimal point here, okay? The decimal point is just going to be transferred up, boop, right there. And now I can continue to do my division, okay? So we already did 27. Subtract that, that's going to be 0. Drop my 1. Well, I cannot divide 1 by 3. Stick a little 0 right here. And we're going to drop my 8, which gives me 18. So 18 can be divided by 3 6 times. So we're going to subtract and boom, there we go. So our answer in this case is 9.06. Now let's look at our second problem. This one's a little bit different. We have 25.15 divided by 0.25. Well, when we're doing division, this number right here, this cannot be a decimal. So what you have to do is move the decimal over until it's a whole number, and then you can do your division. So I'm going to move the decimal over to the right 2 times, which makes this 25. Now, the number of times I move the decimal over here, I have to do the same thing with the number that's being divided, okay? So I'm going to move this twice, 1, 2, put the decimal here, and then what you should do is go ahead and write the decimal up here so that you know where it goes, okay? Because the last thing you want is to get confused and put the decimal in the wrong spot. All right, so now I'm at a point where I can start my division. So 25 goes in, can't go into 2, but it can go into 25 one time. So we'll do 25, we'll subtract 0. If I bring down the 1, I bring down the 5. I know that I can't divide those by 25. So put my 0 up here. And now this is also something that's a little bit different. What do? We're not going to have a remainder. What you can do is, since there's a decimal here, there's an infinite number of zeros all the way to the right. So you just keep dropping down zeros until you have the final answer, at least in this case, all right? So now I have 150. I can divide that by 25 6 times. It's gonna give me 150. And there is your answer, all right? So the key takeaways for dividing with decimals is to make sure you know where the decimal is going to go. If you're not going to be shifting the decimal, I would go ahead and put it on the top so you don't get confused. And then on the problems where you do have to shift the decimal over, shift it first, put the decimal where it's supposed to go on top in the answer so that it will be in the right place as you continue to do the problem. All right, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I do Zoom tutoring sessions for $20 an hour, so you can direct message me if you want to set that up. Remember, school is not easy for everyone, but everyone does deserve a chance to succeed. Be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Have a fantastic day.